Hello, my people. Yeah, I tried this passion twist, and I just want to share with you the way I did it. It's my first time, so I was just trying before filming. So I'm just going to film some of the step I did. So yes, this is the product I used, and the name is the Curl Company. Yeah, it's a deep conditioning curl mask, and I used Blue Magic Organic. It's the natural hair and scalp conditioner, and I use a barbecue stick, a rubber band, and that's it. I just curl it and just put it in hot water. So I'm just going to stop talking, and you're just watching. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just going to show it this part again. When I was curling, the stick was going to the end, so I just curled backwards, like it shown on the video. So yes. Okay guys, sorry for the quality of the video. I'm so sorry. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.